This is Catherine Magana with your Savvy Minute. Today I'll give you another easy way tip for you to get savvy about your finances. Today's tip will cover what is an ETF. An ETF, also known as an exchange-traded fund, is an investment fund that is traded on a major stock exchange like the Nasdaq or the New York Stock Exchange. Just like a stock, an ETF has a ticker symbol and enter pricing during market hours. An ETF is a basket of stocks, bonds, or commodities in a single fund, and most ETFs track an index such as a stock index or bond index. I would suggest you work with your financial planner to determine your investment goals and objectives based on your overall financial plan before making any investment decision. Join us each week for the Savvy Minute. You can find more of our videos at savvyup.tv, that's savvyup.tv, or give me a call at 760-692-5700 for your free financial assessment today. And remember, savvy up.